I'm out the field with my brother and my dad, and we'll be doing call-out penalties with my dad in goal, and me and my brother taking it shots. So my brother's going up first. Where are you going?
You're first, so you go.
They can. Okay guys, I'm gonna go bottom left. Then I'll have to
Top right.
No! Yes! He missed! Bottom right. Next this one. Position.
Bottom left.
Dad, stop looking for plants.
Yeah.
We're going top right. My brother and dad switching.
Go.
So.
Just going to my top right. Ryan, watch Ryan. Oh, you missed. Fucking goal from there. Centre.
So guys, I've got top left and middle to go for, and I'm going to go for the middle. Okay.
Easy. Yeah. You need me to look? So I can do it without looking, man. Don't want me to?
Yeah, whatever.
You just stand there so I can see you. Yeah, you watching?
Okay, so there's one more position I need, and my dad clearly knows it. So I'm going to go top left.
Going top left.
It's right there as well. This is horrible. Okay. Whoa. Okay, hang with mine.
It's it.
Oh my god, that's going bottom right.
Right.
I've scored 3, haven't I?
Oh, I don't even know.
I've scored 3. You've probably...
Hit that side. I haven't.
Leave a like and subscribe, go down in the comments below. See you guys, and peace. Next doing the
Yeah.